Hey everyone, I'm really excited to introduce my new Nuke tool called TNT Gizmo Saver. I built it while studying at GamutX, where I've been learning the ropes of software development for film, VFX, and animation. I hope you'll find it just as useful. What TNT Gizmo Saver helps with. It automates naming, handles version control, and stores handy metadata like the author's name, the department, even a description for whether something's still a work in progress or ready to use. So let me walk you through how it works. The tool automatically grabs your username, so there's no need to type it in every time. Then you have a department dropdown, which you can pick from. If you need to add a new department for your project, just hit the Add button and it'll pop right back up in the list. After that, fill in a gizmo name, let's say motion blur, and choose a major and minor version. You can also enter a quick description if it's a beta or something you're testing. The best part is that everything's displayed in one neat format, so you always know what your final gizmo file will look like. Next, the tool's default save location is your .nuke folder. But if you have a special directory for storing gizmos, just click the browser icon, pick a path, and you're good. If you ever want to jump back to the .nuke folder, hit the reset button, and you can choose a file format style, depending on how you like your files named. Once you're happy with your details, you can see how your final gizmo name will appear. Then just hit Save, and the gizmo goes straight to that location with a clean, consistent name. If you load that gizmo again later and decide to tweak it, you can convert it back to a group using the Convert to Group button. That way, you keep the naming intact, and if a gizmo with that name already exists, you'll get a friendly warning so you don't overwrite it. Another cool part is the Refresh button. If you opened the tool but hadn't selected your group node first, no worries. Just pick your node, press Refresh, and all the details update automatically. And if you change directories for saving, the tool also checks for existing gizmos and updates your version numbers so you never skip a beat. When a file name already exists in the folder and you click the Save button, you will get another pop-up dialog with options to save as a major version or minor version. And that's it. That's the TNT Gizmo Saver. It's a small tool, but it can really make your life easier when it comes to organizing gizmos, sticking to a proper naming structure, and tracking all those little details that usually slip through the cracks. Thanks so much for checking it out, and I hope it saves you a ton of time.